Hi guys! So in today's video I'm gonna show you my all art supplies. So first of all I'm gonna show you all my art journals, papers, canvases that I use for my artworks. Let's start with my new love, that is handmade papers, which I have made recently, and I have tried one artwork on it as well. Otherwise I used to write letters on these, but look at the artwork, how beautiful it is looking now. I've used acrylic colors on it and Sharpie pen. For the canvas I use these framed canvases, wooden frame canvases and canvas rolls. These are my art journals. I don't have so many art journals because mostly I use watercolor papers and canvases. Let's talk about these diaries first. So these are from Pushkar and these are handmade diaries. So I have already completed this one. I'll show you. Welcome to the world of imperfection. A little glimpse to it. So I have already started another one as well with watercolor and pen. Let's move to the next. So this is from Thailand and it's again a handmade diary. So I love handmade stuff, so I used to collect it. Although the paper quality of this diary is not that good, but still I like it. And it came with a little pencil as well, wooden pencil. Another one is a gift from my friend, which looks like a cigarette box, but it is not. And it came with a little diary and pen inside it. And I use it for the stripling art. So the next one is again a handmade little diary, which is again a gift from my friend. I haven't started it yet. These are from Amazon and I use this one for the ideas only and this one for doodle. Not completed yet. So many pages are left. So another one is from Chumbak and it is a very playful diary outside and inside as well. Sorry, but I can't show you too much. It's a personal thing. Another one is from, I don't know from where I got this, but I found it at my home. It's a grid diary and I'm loving this so much. This one, I use it for my interior purpose. I like this diary. I use a lot of watercolor papers for my artwork of A5 size and A3 size. Let's come to the colors. So these are my stillers and I'm in love with them. Although I haven't used them so much. I have used them in my college days, but last in 2019 I have done this artwork with stillers. So these are the watercolors from Faber-Castell and it also have a color pattern over here. So I'll show you the artworks that I have done with this. The color merging is so smooth. The color cakes that I have, this is from Cameline and I really like them. And for the beginners, these colors are very good. I'll show you the artwork that I've done with them. I dream, I believe, I receive. And this one is, I don't know the brand name, and I got this from as a gift from my bhabhi, so I tried it like this. My all-time favorite photo colors. They come in these glass bottles which look so good and they are so good to use. So I'll show you the artwork. I love to use fountain pen inks for my artworks as well. So these are the artworks with the blue fountain pen ink and this one is with the black fountain pen ink and again with the black fountain pen ink. I use this beautiful wooden box to keep my colors. So I have a bunch of acrylic colors. You can use them on fabric as well, as they are mainly for fabric. Then I have this golden acrylic color and few rotring pens, this white jelly roll and Micron Pens. My all-time favorite golden pen. You can order this from Amazon as well. These are the calligraphy pins, but I don't know how to use them. And I have these color set of 12 of Sharpie pins. Then I have again big bottle of acrylic colors. Then one acrylic color medium gloss. I have these 3D tubes which you can use on fabric as well as on paper. And then I have few highlighters of different colors. Then I have these tools for the dot art or dot mandala. Then I have few knives for the art. I have these dual tip brush pens, but I've used them like normally to fill the mandala. Then these oil pastel colors. So I have these cameline acrylic tube colors and I have ordered it from Amazon. Most of the thing I have ordered from Amazon only. And I have done this artwork. And for this artwork I have used knife. I use gouache color a lot and this was my first artwork on paper bag. I have these poster colors and it comes with a tray over, so you can mix your colors on it. Lastly, these oil colors are on my list and I have done this artwork with these colors. I do have a very weird habit of collecting erasers and pencils. So these are the pencils that I have collected over years. And this one is interesting one, so like you can fold it like this. And this one comes with a pencil and color like this. This one is so these are my brushes. I have ordered them recently and I haven't used them yet. So it comes with a like this amazing package so you can travel with them. And then I have these flat brushes. Again, I have ordered them recently. Then I have so many brushes which I've used so much, so they are not in a good condition as well. These brush pens, which is mainly used for the watercolor. Then I have these bottles and I use them for rain art and for outlining. I have this tray which I keep on my table all the time with some important stuff. And then I have these cute little wooden clips. I have this grid board for the cutting. I have three types of tray. So first one is suitable for travel or like less color mixing. And then this big one when I need more color to mix. And then this wooden one. This is a very useful thing. This is a A3 size file where you can keep your all artwork very safe. It comes with the leaves in which like you can put your artworks. So this is the huge art set that I have, and every time I open it, I look at it, it makes me happy, and then I close it again. So these are the oil colors, then acrylic colors, then watercolors. What's here? These are the oil pastels, brushes, pencils, sharpener, eraser. These are the sketch pens, and these are the pencil colors. So guys, if you liked this video, then tell me through comments and don't forget to subscribe my channel.